5 reasons why people invest in gold. Number 1, gold is a safe haven. Yung gold kasi, it serves as a financial safety net. When the economy is unstable, may stock market crash or rise in inflation, gold protects your wealth when other investments fail. Number 2, gold is a hedge against inflation. Alam nyo ba na gold has consistently outperformed inflation throughout time? While yung value ng fiat or paper currency bumababa, gold retain its purchasing power. Number 3, gold is tangible and has a universal value unlike stocks or digital assets. Gold is physical. Pwede mong hawakan, itago, and ibenta kahit saan sa mundo. Its universal value makes it a trusted asset across different economies. Number 4, gold can be used in different ways. 50% of gold ginagamit sa jewelry, 30% nasa investment, 10% ginagamit ng central banks around the world, 8% is used in electronics, and the other 2% in other industries. Number 5, gold is for long-term growth. Over decades and historical data, gold has shown steady growth, making it a reliable choice for generational wealth and security. If gusto mo mag-invest sa gold in an affordable and accessible way, visit Cebuana Luwilier. They have over 2,500 branches in the Philippines. Kahit saan ka sa Pinas, pwede kang mag-invest sa gold.